In Bengal
is not dictatorial. Mamta Banerjee is not a dictator. Locket Chatterjee, please respond to Manav Jaiswal. You are doing politics. The BJP is doing politics. Please respond.
नविका जी, पहले तो मैं बोलती हूँ कि ममता बनर्जी का हिस्ट्री मानव जी ने पूरा बता रहे थे, तो मुझे एक बात बोलना है। 2011 से सरकार चल रहा है, अभी 2024 है। कामदुनी, पार्क स्ट्रीट, काकद्वीप, बहुत सारा इंसिडेंट महिला को लेके, महिला को रेप करके मर्डर कर दिया, बहुत सारा कुछ हुआ था। एक भी दोषी का विचार ममता बनर्जी ने नहीं किया, हिस्ट्री में नहीं है। बेकसूर खलास हुआ कामदुनी का केसेस में। ये बोल रहे कि इन लोगों को विचार होगा। ममता बनर्जी इज ओनली वुमन चीफ मिनिस्टर इन कंट्री, मतलब सिंपैथी का बात कर रहे हैं। ममता बनर्जी जब आए थे, उनका जो विक्षोभ प्रदर्शन आंदोलन हुआ था, पश्चिम बंगाल पूरा देखा, हम लोग उससे सीखा। लेकिन आज हम लोग जो देख रहे हैं कि कोलकाता पुलिस बोलिए, पूरा ममता बनर्जी का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन बोलिए, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर पूरा फेलियर है, और इसके पीछे में बहुत सारा कॉन्स्पिरेसी चल रहा है। ममता बनर्जी बोल रहे इसमें राजनीति नहीं होना चाहिए, लेकिन खुद का सरकार के विरुद्ध में रास्ते के ऊपर आ गया है। खुद के लिए पूरा रास्ता फ्री है, लेकिन दूसरा कोई जनता, नर्स, एडवोकेट, डॉक्टर्स जब रास्ते के ऊपर खड़ा होते हैं, उसके लिए 144 लगा देते हैं। ये क्या राजनीति नहीं है? हम लोग कभी राजनीति का बात किया, बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट का बात किया, बीजेपी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का बात किया, लेकिन खुद मंच पे उठकर ममता बनर्जी राम बाम करके बोल रहे कि तोड़फोड़ किया है राम बाम। तो राजनीति कौन लेके आ रहे हैं?
ओके, मानव जायसवाल। अभी लॉकेट चैटर्जी कह रही है कि आपने राजनीति किया है, यू हैव पोलिटिसाइज्ड।
It has to be in English or Hindi?
Be my guest. বাংলায় বলতে পারেন।
না আমি জানতাম না কি যেহেতু এখানে এখন ইংরেজিতে ডিবেট আছে কি হিন্দিতে আছে। Whichever language you are comfortable with. What is the?
Please speak.
Yeah. So it was about Hindi, na? Navika, is it a Hindi show or is it an English show?
It's an English show, but we are okay with any. We are okay with.
No, I need to tell you, Navika. I need to tell you two things. Let's forget about politics on one side. I know that BJP is not doing politics. We all know about it. What support has she given to the administration? What kind of support her entire team in Bengal has given to the administration? What actions she has taken that the administration should be more proactive? They have only acted as an hindrance. Talking about Rambam is not a problem. The problem is to assassinate Mamata Banerjee. The problem is Mamata Banerjee should resign. This is politicking, isn't it? When you come down on the street and you stop the vehicle of the crematory vehicle which was going for the cremation, when you stop it in the middle of the road, this is politics. When you go do holla and you go about rampant, going to the,
But Manav Jaiswal, why was the body taken in a hurry is also a question that will be asked. Is that politics to ask that question? Because there are statements coming from the employees at the cremation ground that before the mother of our Beti, Shakti, before she had reached the cremation spot, the police was in a hurry. The police was in a hurry to cremate the body. Should we not ask that question? Why?
I'm answering. No, what has happened? There's such a heinous crime. Please, Srilekha, 1 second. Give me 10 seconds.
Yeah. Why the body was...
No, Srilata, he is making a point. I'll come to you. Yeah.
Please give me 10 seconds. Give me 10 seconds. Navika, what had happened? The body, not the body, the Shakti. When they took Shakti away, it was the whole family was traumatized. The parents were very heartbroken. So normally it's a very human act that you give them a space. It's a crime, something like that. I don't have word to explain. So it was just done. Okay, there are 2 more bodies to come. You just go ahead. Let the family go in peace. Let the family go back home. Because the memory, the time that you spend with the body, the dead body, or it's quite heart-filling. I cannot explain.
Okay.
Because even I have been through incidences where you have seen someone close to you has died, and then you need to let go that whole traumatic situation. So that was it. It was a very human act by the police. And if the people out there, anybody who would have objected it, it would have been stopped. Nobody done that. Today, you can interject a lot of things. You can go back in the time and you can think, oh, this could have been done, that could have been done. But that moment is very important when you take decisions.
Okay.
And it was done with the consent of the family. It was nothing done on the permission of the family. You have to understand that. Let's not set a narrative which we don't do it. We are the only political party who also give funds for the cremations. We work with the families.
Oh,
how can you do that?
You know, you are the only political party that gives funds for the cremations. You know, when a young doctor is raped, murdered.
No, it's not about this doctor. It's about the general people. The people who cannot afford.
You're saying we give funds for cremation. I don't know.
No. It's for the of course it is. We do it for the every poor family. Because Mamata Banerjee, for her whole life, she has experienced it. There have been times that people didn't have money to cremate their near and dear ones.
I'm at a loss for words. I'm at a loss for words. But there are people on this panel who have questions for you, so I'm going to get them in.